exploring Arkansas with Globy. Let's go right in the middle of Arkansas. Oops. We're on the bridge. There's another bridge on the other side. This area looks like a mini park. Globy approved. Let's go in the northwest. Springdale. There's a red pickup truck only. It's so cloudy. That's a nice mural painting. Mile 16. The area is so neat. Globy approved. Now let's go in the south of Arkansas. Magnolia. Unity Church, Magnolia. There is so much space. This is how it looks like now. Globy approved. Let's go in the west of Arkansas. Fort Smith. I love the color of the trees. Wow. Look how perfectly, how do you call it? Landscaping? Perfect. Globy approved. Let's go to the east of Arkansas. Jonesboro. It looks like a very quiet neighborhood, and they have their trash cans outside already. Globy approved. Let's explore in the capital of Arkansas. Little Rock. That building looks interesting. What kind of animal is that? Arkansas Baptist College. Globy approved. Now let's find the most beautiful place that we can find in Arkansas. Let's try in Ouachita National Forest. Oh my goodness. That's so lovely. What are those? It looks so gorgeous. Globy certified.